My name is Angela Harder. I am the owner and designer of Lapels. As a fashion designer and as a startup, I'm constantly learning and having to teach myself in new ways. The community at Fuse has broadened my circle, broadened my creativity. If you have any sort of idea that you have been wanting to work on, I feel like this is a great place to come just check out and play and ask questions. It has changed my whole business in that I feel like I have a community where I can comfortably work and ask questions. I feel like they've always been very helpful and encouraging, especially when it comes to the technology. I had zero experience and I still feel like it's a weak area, but they've never made me feel like that's an issue. They've always explained everything in a way that was understandable and made me want to keep trying. I'm so proud of what I've been able to learn and accomplish with the laser cutter, and who knows if I keep trying other areas that are available at the makerspace, what else am I going to be able to make? It's pretty cool, and I'm excited to get these ideas out of my head, because a lot is available and you don't know it until you come check it out.